Hello, I'm Robin Fiked at Stamping Country. Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card that's shaped like a spool. It's super easy to make and you can do it in a minute or less, I bet. You're going to need your envelope punch board and you're going to take a piece of cardstock. I use crumb cake. It's 11 inches long and 3 3/4 inches wide. And then you just score it at the 5.5 inches. You just fold that in half and then we're going to line all the ends up, the left ends up at 1 inch. This is just, you're going to be amazed at how quick this is. So you just put it in at the 1 inch and punch. You're going to do the same thing with the next end. You're going to need to turn it over and we'll punch the other end. So this is just a fun, quick way to make a shaped card. You can see I'm doing it on all the edges. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to my page. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day.